Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from faysfood.com. Today I'm going to show you a great way to utilize leftover bread, and that's making them into delicious homemade croutons. So you want to start out with a baking tray that is lined with either parchment paper or a silicone mat, and then you just dump in the bread, the stale bread that you have left over. I actually had a freezer bag full of stale French bread that was in the freezer for months, so I'm going to go ahead and utilize that. And you can see right now I'm just kind of picking up the crumbs, just picking up as much as you can. It doesn't need to be perfect, but you don't want those crumbs on there because they will burn. So you just drizzle on some olive oil and then give it a toss. Now typically I do add Parmesan or Pecorino cheese on my croutons before and after the croutons bake. However, this time I don't have any on hand, so I will be adding some salt. Typically I don't add salt when I add cheese, just a note. So now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle over the Italian seasoning. Then I'm adding in some salt, and then I'm drizzling on more oil. Give it a mix. Like I said, if you have cheese, skip the salt. Just add the cheese in its place. Really give it a toss. And it might look like a lot of oil, but really what we're doing is we're trying to rehydrate the bread a bit, so you're gonna be pretty liberal with the oil. Alright, one more drizzle on top. Make sure the bread is in a nice single layer, and you're gonna bake it at 450 for about 10 minutes. Check it at the 5-minute mark. And then after it comes out of the oven, you can grate on more cheese if you have it on hand. Otherwise, you are finished. You can see that it's nice and crispy, golden brown, perfect for salads and of course as a snack. For the full recipe, go to faysfood.com. Subscribe to this channel for more great videos on the way. Like this video, comment below for any comments or questions, and share this video. Until next time, guys, you have a wonderful day.
I'm just trying to make this money. I ain't trying to share with the team. Girl, I ain't trying to take nothing from you.